Welcome, and thank you for watching this video on healthy eating. This video was made to help people with prediabetes make choices about what foods to eat more of and what to try to eat less of. However, this video is for anyone who wants to try to eat healthier. There is no one diet that you have to eat when you have been told you are prediabetic. You don't have to stop eating the things you love. The goal is to control your serving size, or as you'll hear from doctors, portion sizes, and eat more of the foods that are better for you than those that are not. The Healthy Plate Method is one of the best ways of understanding how to organize your meals. On a normal-sized dinner plate, about half of the food should be fruits and vegetables, a quarter lean meats and other proteins, and the final quarter carbohydrates, which includes both grains and starches. The next few slides will break these groups down more, but you can see some examples here. Half of your plate should be vegetables and fruits, and try for color and variety. Fruits also have more sugar than vegetables, so try not to eat only fruits. Potatoes don't count as vegetables, though, because of their effects on your blood sugar. They're actually a starch. So these will fall under the grains part of the healthy plate. A quarter of your plate should be grains. Any food made up from wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, barley, or any other cereal grain is a grain product. Bread, pasta, oatmeal, breakfast cereals, tortillas, and grits are all some examples of grains. Potatoes and potato-based foods, like French fries, are starches. Starches aren't as good for you and have a bigger effect on raising blood sugar, so you should try to limit those. Whole wheat and grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and foods made with these things have a more mild effect on blood sugar and should be the majority of the grains that you eat. The last quarter of your plate should be protein or lean meats. You can eat the meats that you want, including red meat, but choose lean cuts and cook them grilled or baked instead of fried. And when I say lean cuts, I mean the ones that say they have a smaller percentage of fat. When you're cooking, cook with healthy vegetable oils like olive, canola, soy, corn, sunflower, peanut, and others. If you see the words partially hydrogenated oils on the bottle, stay away from that one because those contain unhealthy fats called trans fats. You can also use these types of oils in salad dressings. If you make your own salad dressing, it can often be a lot healthier. And recipes are pretty easy to find online. Drink water, coffee, or tea as your main beverages. Try to limit milk and dairy products to 1 or 2 servings per day and limit juice to a small glass per day or less. There is less nutritional value in juice than there is in fruit, and there's more sugar. Try not to drink sugary drinks like soda as much as possible since those have no nutritional benefit. If you don't like water, you can flavor it with fruit or simple flavorings like Crystal Light. Something that is especially difficult about healthy eating is understanding portion or serving sizes. The Healthy Plate model uses a normal-sized plate, but when you go out to eat or even cook for yourself, the plates are usually much bigger. When you look at recipes or food labels, which I will talk about next, they always tell you how much sugar, fat, carbohydrates, and other nutritional values are in a serving. This guide should help you understand what a serving size typically looks like with your own hand. This is not precise, but it is a fast estimate. Your fist is about the size of 1 cup, which is the typical serving size for fruits, raw vegetables, salads, and soup. Your palm is around 3 to 4 ounces, which is the serving size for meat, fish, pasta, potatoes, and rice. The center of your palm is about 1 to 2 ounces, which you can use for snacks like nuts, pretzels, or crackers. Your thumb is about 1 to 2 tablespoons, which can guide you for cheese, peanut butter, salad dressing, and sour cream, things like that. Your fingertip is about the size of 1 teaspoon, which is the serving size for butter, mayonnaise, and oils. If you need more time to look at this slide, press the pause button. When you are buying groceries, it is best to stay on the outer aisles of the store. The center aisles usually have less natural foods and more canned or prepared foods. But wherever you shop, you need to know how to read the labels on the food containers. Everything has nutrition information. In other words, how healthy a food is for you. At the top of the label is the serving size or portion size, which will tell you how much of the item the nutrition facts are written about. Sometimes the label will have the facts about both the serving size and the whole amount in the container, and you can see an example of both here in this picture. Next is the calories in each serving. Everyone has a different required amount of calories daily based on factors like age, gender, and weight. The important thing to remember is not to go over your daily requirements by too much. There are websites that can help you find your daily required calorie intake, or you can ask your healthcare provider to help you. The third section tells you the nutrient information, like sugar, fat, protein, and sodium or salt. You should try to limit sugars and sodium, and the daily value can help you understand what the amounts mean. For example, if a label says that a serving of a product contains 60% of your daily value of sodium, you would need to be very careful about what else you eat that day, since sodium can raise your blood pressure. This can help you make choices about which items to buy. The fourth section tells you if the product has vitamins or minerals that your body needs, like vitamin D or calcium. The clinic offers a nutrition class if you have any specific questions about what foods are right for you, or you can talk to your healthcare provider during your visit. Thank you for watching.